Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Coinbase wallet for 2025. So it is one of the best tools to manage your crypto safely. Without further delay, we will take a look at its features and see if it is the right choice for you. So Coinbase Wallet is a digital wallet that lets you store, send and receive crypto. Unlike the Coinbase exchange application, this wallet is separate and gives you full control over your funds. This means that you are the only one who has access to your crypto. So in 2025, Coinbase Wallet works with many types of crypto on different blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and newer networks like Arbitrum. It also lets you explore things like DeFi, that is decentralized finance, NFTs, and other Web3 applications. If we talk about the key features of Coinbase Wallet, you can see that it has multiple blockchains. So you can manage different types of crypto across Ethereum, Solana, and other networks in one place. The wallet has added protection like fingerprints, login, and two-factor authentication to keep your crypto safe. You can even store and view your NFTs right in the application, making it easy to keep track of your collection. You can even use the wallet to join DeFi projects or explore apps directly without leaving the platform. If you lose access to your wallet, you can even recover it by using the trusted contacts so you don't lose your funds. So these features make Coinbase Wallet a simple but powerful tool for managing your cryptos. Now, in a nutshell, I'm going to give you the pros and cons of this particular wallet. So if we talk about the pros, it is very easy to use and it is easy even for beginners. So it supports many types of cryptos and blockchains. It is great for security features including private key management, and it works well with the Coinbase exchange for quick transfers. The cons are transaction fees can be very high when networks are busy, and the customer support for the wallet is limited since it is non-custodial. Advanced tools for DeFi might not be detailed as much as some competitors. So if you want to learn how to set up your Coinbase wallet, I've made a detailed video on this topic as well. So you can check out the link in the description for that step-by-step guide. So in a nutshell, Coinbase Wallet is a great option in 2025 for managing your crypto, NFTs, and exploring the Web3 world. It's secure, easy to use, and supports many blockchains, making it a reliable choice. While fees can be an issue during the busy times, the wallet's strong security and features makes it a solid pick for anyone who is looking to control their own crypto. Just remember to keep your recovery phrase safe. It's your key to accessing your wallet. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or thoughts, you can drop them in the comments. For more crypto tips and reviews, you can check out our other videos. See you in the next time.